This is Mirage. She is a female brindle boxer. She is 7 weeks. She'll be ready for a new home soon, in another week and a half or so. Her tail is docked. Mirage. She is spunky and full of ambition. All right, let's see here. She's a beautiful brindle, very little white on the face, just a tiny bit on the top of her nose. She's a very good sized puppy. Doing great. And look here, Mirage. Hello, hello. Oh, sweet. All right. That's one of our girls.